Let's talk about one of the most beloved pasta dishes from Sicily, pasta alla Norma. It's rich, it's simple, and it celebrates the flavors of the Mediterranean in the best possible way. Before we dive into its story, let's start with how to actually make it at home. For this dish, you'll need just a handful of ingredients, but each one really matters. Pasta, usually short tubes like rigatoni or penne, though spaghetti works too. Eggplants, these are the star of the dish. Canned or fresh tomatoes for the sauce. Garlic and olive oil, fresh basil leaves, and most importantly, ricotta salata, a salted and firm ricotta cheese that gives the dish its signature flavor. Here's how you put it all together. First, slice your eggplants into rounds or cubes, sprinkle them with a little salt, and let them sit for about 30 minutes. This step helps draw out some of the bitterness. After that, pat them dry and fry them in olive oil until golden and soft. Set them aside. In another pan, make your sauce by gently sautéing garlic in olive oil, then adding in your tomatoes. Let them simmer until the sauce thickens and develops that deep, sweet tomato flavor. Add a pinch of salt, maybe some chili flakes if you like, a little heat, and a few torn basil leaves for freshness. Meanwhile, cook your pasta until it's just al dente. Toss the pasta with the tomato sauce, then fold in the fried eggplant pieces. Finally, top everything with generous shavings of ricotta, salata, and a bit more basil. And that's it. You've got a dish that's vibrant, hearty, and full of character, just like Sicily itself. Now, let's talk about the history behind this beautiful pasta. Pasta alla Norma comes from the city of Catania, on the eastern coast of Sicily. It was created in the 19th century and quickly became a symbol of Sicilian cuisine. But what makes its story special is the name. The dish was named after the opera Norma, written by the famous Italian composer Vincenzo Bellini, who was actually born in Catania. The story goes that a local writer or poet, some say it was Nino Martolio, tasted the dish and was so impressed that he exclaimed, "This is a real Norma," comparing its perfection to Bellini's opera. From that moment, the name stuck, and pasta alla Norma became forever linked with Sicilian culture, not just food. This pasta is more than just a recipe. It reflects the land and the people. Sicily's sun-drenched fields produce beautiful tomatoes and eggplants, and ricotta salata comes from the island's long tradition of sheep farming and cheese-making. Together, these ingredients tell the story of Sicily's rich agricultural roots and its love of bold, simple flavors. Over time, pasta alla Norma spread beyond Sicily and became loved across Italy and around the world. Today, you'll find it on trattoria menus, in fine dining restaurants, and in home kitchens everywhere. It's proof that you don't need complicated techniques or a long list of ingredients to create something iconic. So, whether you cook it as a weeknight dinner or to impress your friends, pasta alla Norma is a dish that carries with it a little piece of Sicilian pride and history. With every bite, you're not just tasting pasta, eggplant, and tomato, you're tasting the essence of a place where food, art, and culture all come together.